M3 Grant tank, but without the top turret on it. The Americans were about to build a tank in 1939. 1940, the war kicks off the war. There's a different change of tack now. They think a tank is a 75mm gun. So they want to build a tank with a turret with that gun in. So they do a futurist tank, and that's this one, the M3 tank. They stop the M2, they've got the same engine, running gear, there. And that's why they're designing the next tank coming round, the M4. So model 1, 2, 3, that's how they do it, M4. This is the famous Sherman. And this particular one, it's got the welded armour on the front, so in other words it's not rounded, which is cast armour. It's got a cast armour turret and a 75mm gun. And at the beginning of World War II, again I said it earlier, America is not necessarily starting to gear up for production. It's Britain that is going to America saying, can you build tanks for Britain? So did the French. And they were why don't you buy into our tank building program, which is why the first Sherman tanks, now at the front of that queue going around, they're not used by Americans, they're used by British forces at the Battle of El Alamein in October of 1942. So we're looking there at a tank that if you watch all your YouTube videos, either people say it was rubbish or it was fine, because you've got a conscript army that won't have much training time, so they need to be able to operate this vehicle very quickly and efficiently. And of course, America is promising to make enormous numbers of these, not just for Britain, but for Commonwealth forces. Let's go to Russia as well. In fact, there's so many factories making these, they have 4 different engine types, because they can't get enough of the original engine they wanted to build the R975 as an aeroplane engine, the aircraft engine. That's why we end up with different models of the Sherman, and then later different guns on them as well. Now we're also seeing the half-track go down, but this is the half-track. Again, it's a bit of a approach at the beginning of the war. The Americans are just starting to put half-tracks into service. How do we get? Now that particular Grant, that M3 that's driving around at the moment, it's come all the way from Australia after the war. The Australians were given during the war a number of these to train on. They often took the metalwork, the armour plate off, and they use it for clearing forests, tree stumps, all sorts of things. The owners of this now, they're going to make it into a recovery tank. And with armour, once you spoke to that, recovering down vehicles from the battlefield with a bit of armour protection. That's what it was done for. Now the Sherman here, another one that's been in many areas reconstructed, absolutely looks the part now. Again, one of the whole family of Shermans that are put together as the very first one. M4A4 with a floor of engine. M4A4 has been quite a multi-manufactured and with the M4A2 it has filters, so they have different fuel types.